Hi everyone, Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, and today I'm talking about how we would check our tyre pressures. Now, to check your tyre pressures, what we do first of all is we look in the manufacturer's guide to find out how much air we need to put into the tyres. Second of all, we need to make sure we find a reliable pressure gauge, and those can be found at garages. When we get to the garage, it's important that we check all of the tyres, including any spare tyres that we may have for the car. We also only check our tyres when our tyre pressures are cold. And finally, remember when you have finished putting your air into the tyres to remember to put the valve caps or dust caps back onto your tyres. If you found the information useful, please like, comment and share it. You can find more videos the same by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop on YouTube. Or if you want to join our online theory course, then visit www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.